To earn a full income off Temu affiliates in 2025, you need to understand the basics of affiliate marketing and how Temu's program works. First, Temu is an e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of products at competitive prices, making it an attractive option for customers. The Temu affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by promoting their products and driving sales. To get started, sign up for the Temu affiliate program through their website. Once you are approved, you will have access to a dashboard where you can track your earnings, find marketing materials, and get affiliate links. Choose the products you want to promote based on your niche or target audience, and create content around them. Content creation is key to successful affiliate marketing. You can create blog posts, videos, or social media posts that review or showcase the products. Make sure to include your affiliate link in the content so that when someone clicks on it and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Building an audience is crucial to driving sales and earning a full income. You can use social media platforms, blogs, or email marketing to reach your target audience. Consistency is key, so make sure to post content regularly and engage with your audience. To increase your earnings, optimize your content for conversions. Use attention-grabbing headlines, high-quality images, and compelling calls to action. You can also use paid advertising to reach a wider audience and drive more sales. Tracking and analyzing your results is essential to understanding what works and what does not. Use the Temu affiliate dashboard to track your earnings, clicks, and conversions. Analyze the data to identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategy accordingly. Best practices for Temu affiliates include disclosing your affiliation with the company, following Federal Trade Commission guidelines, and being transparent with your audience. Make sure to read and follow Temu's terms and conditions to avoid any issues with your account. In conclusion, earning a full income off Temu affiliates requires dedication, hard work, and a well-thought-out strategy. By following these steps and best practices, you can increase your chances of success and build a profitable affiliate marketing business with Temu.